how to use Morph Transition in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft PowerPoint, and then what you need to do is you will need to duplicate the same slide to create the morph transition. Just right click and hit duplicate, and then make sure that the first slide has a smaller font. So go to home on the top and then turn this into a smaller font, and then go to another slide and increase the font size. Make sure both the text are same. Just increase and decrease the font size. And now you just need to go to the transitions option and then use the morph. So make sure you select both of it, use control and select both and hit morph, and this is what it will look like. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.